Let's stop the guessing game. How much does a professional blog actually cost in 2026? Because you see ads promising you a site for $10 with AI, but then agencies quote you $5,000 or even more. Why is there such a massive gap? Today, I am pulling back the curtain. I am going to show you the real cost, the cheap traps that kill your growth, and a secret way to get your professional blog built for $0. Let's get into the numbers. First, you need a domain name. Now, what is domain? Domain means the name of your website. It's like yourname.com. Here is the .com extension is the domain of yours. This part is the main name of the domain of yours. So you have to buy this thing at a minimum cost. You can buy it from many sites. I will show you now. So if you go to this domain website, so I'm going to this GoDaddy.com and search the domain I want. If I search this domain, then you can see the price of the domain here. It's 0.23 cents and for the first year only. But to get this offer, you have to buy this domain at least for 3-year term. On the other hand, if I show you, go to this Hostinger and search the same domain you want. So in Hostinger, you will get this same domain for the first year. It will be cost around $0.01 and there is the same, you have to buy this for 3-year term. But wait, I can tell you that you can get this domain in absolutely free by purchasing the hosting from Hostinger. Now I have a pro tip for you. Stay away from the free subdomains, because if your URL has another company's name in it, you don't own your brand and Google won't rank you either. You need a clean custom identity from day one. Now your domain needs a home. That's called hosting, because this is the engine of your website for 2026. You need a host that is fast, secure, and most importantly beginner friendly. That is why I personally recommend Hostinger. But no worries, you can buy hosting from another sites as well. But here's why it wins for bloggers, because Hostinger has malware free scanners, it had reasonable pricing, the user friendly dashboard, and SEO speed. This is the foundation you need to handle traffic without the site crashing. Now if we go to the pricing here you can select 12 months and you can choose this premium plan. Then it will cost around $3.49 per month. But if you buy this for a year, then you get a discount and it will be like $41.88 in 1 year. And if you go to the 24 months, it means 2 years, then it will be cost around $57.41. I recommend you go with this 24 months because it's really cheaper than you think. Next, we talk about the build. For blogging, WordPress is king. The software is free, but the setup matters. You might spend $13 to $18 on a premium theme to get that polished look. But don't worry, you can start with the free themes, which will cost $0. And if you want to hire a designer or an agency, that can cost around from $100 to over $5,000 depending on the complexity. But for a smart, self-managed setup, you are usually looking at a total investment of $100 to $300. But what if you could skip the design cost entirely? Here is my special offer to help you jumpstart your journey. Because if you purchase your hosting using the link in my description, my team and I will create your professional blog site for you absolutely in free. Why do you do this? Because when you use our link, we receive a small commission from Hostinger. That doesn't cost you a single extra penny. In fact, by using our link, you actually get an extra 5% discount on your hosting. You save money, get the best hosting on the market, and get a professionally built site ready to earn all in one go. Now, you are not sure how to buy your first domain or set up Hostinger? Don't stress. Contact with me. I personally walk you through the purchase and help you get started. Check the link in my description, grab your discount, and let's build your digital empire together. See you in the next one.